y'all, so today I'm doing this natural makeup look, basically minimal makeup. I just wanted to show y'all something that I like to do when I just need a good makeup face on, but I don't need a full glam. So I said at the end of the video, if y'all don't like as much dramatic lashes, you could put a more natural one on and do the same look, but keep watching if you want to learn how I got this look. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to prime. I'm going to use the Too Faced Hangover RX 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. Next I'm going to go in with a natural foundation, so I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in 410. So for concealer, I'm going to go ahead and do a combination of my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 46. And then I'm just going to put one dot of the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in Amber. So after you blend in your concealer, I'm going to go ahead and set with my Laura Mercier powder with a sponge. Then I'm going to go ahead with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and Give Me Sun to just further set the look. For my natural brow look, I like to use a brow gel. I'm going to be trying out the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel. And I'm using the shade Dark Brown. To make sure it all stays in place, I'm going to go ahead and set it with the clear brow gel from Anastasia. And since this is a natural look, I don't really conceal my brows just because I want to keep it to look just as authentic as it can. Next, I'm going to try out the Anastasia bronzer in Mahogany. And I'm going to use my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH05 brush just to bronze up the face. I don't want to look too contoured or too bronzed. I just want to add some more color to my face. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add glue to my lashes. So I'm using these IL & Co. lashes, previously called Bahi, but she just recently changed her company name to IL & Co. And I'm going to use the lashes in Tiss. Hope you can see that. Then I'm going to try out this new lash glue that I got from Amazon. And I think it's pronounced Esguito Companion Eyelash Glue. And while the glue dries on those, I'm going to go ahead and do a liner. And I'm going to try out the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. And for this, I like to just do a thin line. I don't really do a wing. I just want to conceal this band. Then I'm just going to do a light coat of mascara with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. On this glue, I did read the description online and it did say that for this to have the best effect, it's best to wait the full 30 seconds or test it out and see if the glue is tacky, because this glue is supposed to be like everything proof. And in their little demo video, they showed the girl actually tucking the lash, so it's supposed to be pretty foolproof. And I forgot to mention, on those IL & Co. lashes, I don't know if you can see, they actually come with their own lash applicator. I like to use this one from Japanesque, but it's a good one too. Next, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Then I'm going to apply my Patrick Star by MAC highlighter in Hot and Heavy. And to finish the look, I'm going to line with the MAC Lip Pencil in Spice and apply a gloss from ColourPop in Netta. And that's all for my natural kind of makeup, but not really. If you guys enjoyed it, you can recreate it. Most people probably wouldn't put as bold of a lash. I just wanted to do that for the video so you could kind of tell that the eyes are the kind of focus for me. But hope you guys enjoyed. Stick around my channel or my blog, whatever you're watching this on, to watch more videos or look up more posts, and comment down below if you have any requests for me. See you guys next time.